Hello Vietmaxim family and welcome back to my channel. Make my day by smash that like button. Alright, let's take another quick look at Dogecoin. Doge is doing really good. Yesterday I was concerned that Doge could be trading kind of like boring for a while. I mean holding at around the 9 cents, but it actually doing a lot better than I had anticipated. Those continue to follow this uptrend. And the nice thing is every time when the price retrace and test the 10 days moving average, which is this red line, it bounced right back up. And prior to this, when Doge was trading below the 9 cents, I mentioned that right at around the 9 cents, this area is the major supply area from 9 to about 9.5 cents. Because every time when Doge reached that area, it got rejected. And now finally, it was able to cross over that. And the nice thing is, when the price retraced, and the minute it tests the 9 cents, it bounced right back up. So 9 cents, which used to be a major resistance, now become a very strong support. That is a bullish sign because now 9 cents becomes a new base. Switch over to the 30-minute chart. The 30-minute chart is looking very, very bullish. As you can see, those continue to follow this uptrend. Every time when the price retrace and test this upward trend line, it bounces right back up, setting up this higher high. Retest, bounce, retest, bounce. Take a breather right now, consolidate. Most likely it's going to retest this again. Now go back to the daily chart. There is one indicator that I like to look at. If you look at the Bollinger Band, right before Doge make this run up in price, the Bollinger Band contracted. Well, let's go back. Before this big spike up in price where Doge ran all the way to 16 cents, we can see that the Bollinger Band contracted, and finally at this point it popped. The band get way overextended after Doge ran up to about 16 cents. The price retrace helped the Bollinger Band to contract. And now, right before this run up in price, you see the Bollinger Band get very tight. And now it is beginning to expand as Doge is trading up around the upper band of this Bollinger Band. And the Bollinger Band is still very tight. So this is an indication that the momentum, the uptrend is still there. So there's a very high probability that our initial target price of 12 cents, those would run up to this. The minute it hit the 12 cent, that is another major supply area. As you can see at this point, when those retrace, hit 12 cents, it bounced right back up. So this was the major support for those. And at this point, the price broke down. The minute it broke down, and then at this point, it got rejected. So most likely, we would see those run up to 12 cents and then make some sort of like retrace. And I believe given the fact that the Bollinger Band is still very tight, those would stabilize around this area and then run up and will retest our prior high at 16. So I am still very bullish on Dogecoin. Doge is looking very good. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content. And if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.